Hey there. Have you ever encountered a pesky storage problem on your iPhone that just won't go away? Well, let me tell you about a frustrating problem that many Apple users face with their iCloud backups. Imagine this. You're happily using your 5 gigabytes of free iCloud storage for important files and iPhone backups, when suddenly, out of nowhere, your backup size doubles, and iCloud starts bombarding you with upgrade notifications. You try to delete the backup to free up space, but the storage remains stubbornly occupied. What a headache, right? Now let's delve into the solution to this persistent storage problem. In cases where iCloud backups get stuck and refuse to free up space even after deletion, reaching out to Apple support is key. By contacting them, you can have the issue escalated to a specialist who has the power to manually purge the reserved space. In no time, they'll work their magic, and you'll witness the space being freed up instantly. Problem solved. Remember, patience is key when dealing with these technical hiccups. In summary, dealing with iCloud storage quirks can be a real headache, but with the right approach, you can overcome them. Remember, when stuck in a storage limbo, don't hesitate to contact Apple support for a helping hand. And with that, it's time to wrap up. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and drop a witty comment below. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.